start to heat up, the risk of fire danger in the Truckee Meadows does as well.
In fact, we really never got out of fire season over the last year, and now fire officials are warning parents of the potential fire danger with our dry climate. Dina's live for us this morning with more on that. Good morning, Dina.
Good morning, Bill and Karen. A very important topic this morning. As you can see, sagebrush and cheatgrass line the hillsides in Reno and Sparks and crawls up awfully close to homes throughout our area. And that is why Reno fire investigators are shedding some light this morning on the importance of fire protection and dangers that lie within fires in children. Now, last year alone, more than 300 fires were investigated, and of those 300, 61 at least involved juveniles in some way. Now, if any person intends to burn vegetation to property, it is an arson, and this is criminal activity, and the topic needs to be taken very seriously. This can be punishable by fines and even imprisonment. But for those younger kids, anyone under the age of 18, if they do start a fire, even if it is an accident, parents can be held responsible, and of course fines can be very, very damaging. And we've also seen with the Washoe Drive and Collin fires just what fire danger is here in the Reno Sparks area. So even if it is accidental, if a person is playing with something that involves fire and it gets away, there is a huge liability with that, and that is why fire crews are telling parents to talk to your kids and make sure you take some precaution.
The key is supervision. Parents need to know where their children are at all times. If you have lighters or matches around the house, be aware of that and keep them away from the kids, and just know what your kids are doing.
And it is very important to know exactly what your kids are doing. Fire Captain Palmer did also tell me that it's not just the younger kids that are starting these fires. They're also seeing an uprise in the number of older kids starting these fires, and that is because what he says is boredom. They're simply going outside and finding activities to do outside in this dry climate that it can be very dangerous and potentially cause fires. So it is important to talk to your kids, make sure that they do know exactly what happens if a fire is started and how to make sure that they do not get involved in something like that. Reporting live here on McCarran and Reno, I'm Dina Kupfer. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
All righty. Thank you so much for that, Dina. It is now 6:40 as we get you going on